Namaskar from Guwahati in Assam. I am here with Dr. Goyal and Dr. Swarnakar, two of the wonderful faculty of Bodoland University, here at a hotel in Guwahati. I'm so excited to be joined by the Bodoland community in my love of math and science. And during my event from 4 to 5 in the evening today, I hope I can inspire the students, parents, and faculty of Bodoland University to fall in love with math and science. Would you like to say anything, Dr. Swarnakar?
Dr. Amit Swarnakar, on behalf of Bodoland University and all Bodoland family, Bodoland University family, welcome Sir Dr. Isaac Bari to the beautiful place of Northeast, and